In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align elements perfectly in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make single items snap into place and how to line up multiple objects so your designs look clean, balanced, and professional. Start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. In the results, look for the official Canva site with the secure lock icon in the address bar so you know you're in the right place. Click the correct link to open Canva, and if you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your projects and tools. Once you're in, open the design editor. You can do this by opening an existing project or starting a fresh canvas. Either way, the alignment tools work the same. With your design open, click on the element you want to align. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and resize handles around it. Precise selection matters here, so make sure only the item you intend to move is highlighted. Look to the top toolbar and click the Position button. This opens alignment controls. Under the Arrange tab, choose an alignment option to snap your selected element into place relative to the canvas. Select from the presets: top, bottom, left, right, middle, or center. Top and bottom pin the element to the upper or lower edge of the page. Left and right snap it to the corresponding sides. Middle moves the element to the vertical midpoint, and center places it on the horizontal midpoint. If you don't see the result you expect, confirm you have just one element selected and that you're applying the preset from the Arrange tab. Now, to make multiple items line up perfectly, select all the elements you want to align. Hold Shift and click each one so they're all highlighted together. With the group of items selected, click Position again. Under the Align Elements section, choose how they should line up. For example, choosing left will align all their left edges to the same vertical line. Right aligns their right edges, top aligns their top edges, and bottom aligns their bottom edges. Center will align them along the same vertical axis, while middle aligns them along the same horizontal axis. This ensures every selected object shares an exact reference point, eliminating tiny misalignments you might miss by eye. That's it. Use these single-item and multi-item alignment options anytime you want crisp layouts, consistent spacing, and a polished finish. Practice on a few shapes or text boxes, and you'll find your designs come together faster and look more intentional every time.